Okay, over to the last sum. Got the 26, 58. Okay, what does that give you, Amok? Amok, that's not even close to the actual answer. You've been doing that for the past hour, Amok. You need to buckle up. You need to buckle up. Anyway, that's it. That's it for today, students. I will send the homework on the WhatsApp group. Make sure to finish that. And I know the coronavirus situation in China and Italy, it's not coming anywhere near us. You don't need to tell me about that. Also, make sure you take the vadas that I've kept for you outside while going. Okay? Yes. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Back up. Bye-bye. Bye. Online classes to start in pandemic. Sweetie? Online classes Laptop? Depth what about my bachas? What about my bachas? No, it's nothing, sweetie. It's nothing. I miss my bachas. I haven't seen them for 20 days. It feels like a whole year, and they're not replying to the WhatsApp group, nothing. It's not, okay, listen to me. I have been teaching for the past 35 years. You don't need to teach me how to teach now. Okay, I know it's not going to be done over a stupid laptop. I need them here. Okay, only way I can teach them is they're here. You go back, do whatever you were doing, please. Please don't trouble me outside. Go study whatever you were doing. Go inside. I have to order that stupid online vegetable now. Speaker. Yeah. Hi, yeah, beta Amok. You just help me order this online vegetable, no? Hey, this don't make you smart. Maths make you smart. Yes. Now please just help me, no, beta. Okay. Orange button done. Quantity. Okay, quantity add. Okay, green button, no? Yes. Okay. Yes, beta, done, Amok. Okay, listen to me. Find a degree in online vegetable ordering. I will declare you smart. Full word. Okay, bye, Amok. Yes. 5,000. Are you, sweetie? Hi, Neelam. Hi. Yes, how have you been? How's the pregnancy? Yes, I know, 7 months. I know. Going where? Neelama, you can't travel. Are you not seeing the news, Neelama? Neelama, you can't go anywhere. People are sleeping on train tracks, Neelam. Neelam, think about the baby. Don't go. Did Ajay even agree to this? Is Ajay there? You're going, I say, tell me honestly. Neelam, please. Neelam, manage something. Think about the baby, no? No, ask Neelam. No. Don't be shy, ask. Neelam, I don't have any money to give you. Neelam, I don't have any money to give. I'm managing everything on loan, Neelam. Please don't ask for money, Neelam. Sweetie's college fee is unpaid. Mahesh is stuck in Bangalore. Please manage something. Work something out. It'll happen. Trust me. Neelam? God. Sweetie? Yeah, beta, come here. Nothing. You can't go to the college that you want to. Neelam auntie needs the money, sweetie. Sweetie, listen. very important. She's pregnant, so Bita, you have to understand. Light bill are done. Gas bill are done. What? Meghanti the tuition? How? Stupid laptop, sweetie. Anyway. Please don't get started about the whole online teaching, sweetie, please. You know what? Okay. No, come here. Come here. Teach me. Teach me how to operate this Zoom. No, come. Sit. Zoom. Okay. Who's the meeting? Okay, that's not. Time zone. Okay, what to do next? That's it. Good. So tomorrow I have to just send this. I can't even smell it. Oh, it's a link. Yeah, I have to send this link to the WhatsApp group and the students will come, no? Okay. Okay. We'll see how this goes. Yeah. Go. Okay. Zoom. Stop my camera. Start meeting. Start camera. Hi students. Hi. Yes. First things first. We are accompanied by 4 international students today. Yes, we have Maria from California, Shiny from Seattle, Simran from Toronto, Radha from Durban. Okay, before we start, can I just tell how difficult it has been without all of you? Mind, okay. So the Zoom turned out to be pretty well. I can see you, I can talk to you. That's all I want, honestly. Okay. Now, get your maths textbook, page number 1. And let's start with math.